Bless you? No, it's English. Jesus? No, it's Spanish.
So what to say after somebody sneezes? We say будь здоров or будь здорова. The literal translation of this phrase is be healthy. If a person sneezes several times in a row, then we add расти большой and не будь лапшой. For example, будь здорова. Спасибо. Расти большой. Спасибо. Не будь лапшой. Расти большой means grow big. Не будь лапшой means don't be a slack. It is suitable for both men and women. Actually, the word lapsha means pasta or noodles, but we also use it as a slang, which means a weak, spineless person who doesn't have his own opinion and cannot stand up for himself. So with the words будь здоров, расти большой, не будь лапшой, we want to wish a person to be healthy, big, and morally strong. Well, we also have another joke expression which we can use instead of будь здоров, расти большой, не будь лапшой. But in truth, we can use it only when a woman sneezes, not a man. It is будь здорова, как корова, и найди себе быка, which means be healthy as a cow and find yourself a bull. By a bull, we mean a boyfriend or husband. So, by saying будь здорова, как корова, и найди себе быка, we wish a woman to be healthy and to find a boyfriend or a husband. Well, that is all for today. And in the end, I would like to wish you будьте здоровы, как коровы, и не будьте лапшой. Скоро увидимся. Пока!